What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're about to blow your minds with what we're doing today. Count them, 6 insane recipes using, wait for it, leftover tacos. Hit that like button if you're ready to get your taste buds tingling because this is about to get wild. Don't even think about skipping the subscribe button down there. Smash it like you're smashing a delicious taco. Seriously though, subscribe and ring that bell so you never miss another epic food challenge, crazy stunt, or in this case, mind-blowing recipe video. Today, we're taking those sad, lonely leftover tacos from last night's Fiesta and turning them into culinary masterpieces. Get ready for some serious food transformations, people. We've got taco salads, soups, casseroles, and more all coming up right now. All right, taco transformation number 1, the mighty taco salad. First up, you're going to need those leftover taco remnants. We're talking seasoned ground beef, shredded cheese, lettuce, tomatoes, onions, whatever you got. Now, for the salad base, we're going big. Grab a giant bowl, like seriously the biggest one you've got, and start layering. First, a bed of crisp lettuce, then pile on those taco fixings. Don't be shy, go crazy. Next up, the crunch factor. Crush up some tortilla chips and sprinkle them on top. Trust me, it's all about the textures. And to top it all off, a generous drizzle of your favorite dressing. Ranch, salsa, cilantro, lime, whatever your heart desires. Boom! Taco salad supreme, ready to devour. It's like a party in your mouth and everyone's invited. Get ready for round 2, folks, because it's taco soup time. This is where those leftover taco flavors transform into a warm, comforting hug in a bowl. First things first, grab a stock pot and crank up the heat. Now, we're going to saute some onions and garlic in a little bit of oil until they're nice and fragrant. Then toss in that leftover taco meat and let it sizzle for a few minutes. Next, we're adding a burst of flavor with some diced tomatoes, a can of black beans, and corn. Time to bring in the liquid. Pour in some chicken broth, enough to cover everything, and then let's season things up. We're talking chili powder, cumin, paprika, and a pinch of cayenne for a little kick. Let that simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, and then get ready for the grand finale. Ladle that steaming hot soup into bowls, top with your favorite taco toppings like sour cream, cheese, cilantro, and get ready to dive into a flavor explosion. Hold on to your hats, folks, because it's about to get messy with this taco casserole chaos. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab a casserole dish and grease it up. We don't want any sticking. In a large bowl, combine those leftover taco ingredients. Seasoned ground beef, beans, cheese, the works. Now grab a separate bowl and mix together a can of cream of chicken soup, a can of diced tomatoes and green chilies, and a splash of milk. Pour that creamy mixture over the taco filling and stir it all together. Then top it off with a generous layer of shredded cheese. Because why not? Pop that bad boy in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Get ready for some serious cheesy, gooey taco-liciousness. This taco casserole chaos is the perfect comfort food. Chapter 4, Taco Pizza Perfection. Get ready for a flavor combination that's going to rock your world. Taco Pizza Perfection. First up, preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, grab a pre-made pizza crust or make your own. Spread a thin layer of refried beans over the crust, then sprinkle on a generous amount of shredded cheese. Next, it's time to load up those leftover taco toppings. Think seasoned ground beef, diced tomatoes, onions, black olives, whatever your pizza-loving heart desires. Slide that masterpiece into the oven and bake for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. While it's baking, prepare a fiesta of toppings for when it comes out. Sour cream, salsa, guacamole, jalapenos, the possibilities are endless. Once it's out of the oven, let it cool for a few minutes before slicing and serving. This taco pizza perfection is a guaranteed crowd pleaser. Chapter 5, Taco Quesadilla Fiesta. Get ready for a cheesy, gooey fiesta in your mouth with these taco quesadillas. Heat up a large skillet over medium heat. Now grab a couple of large flour tortillas. Spread a thin layer of refried beans on one side of each tortilla, then sprinkle on a generous amount of shredded cheese. Now for the star of the show, those leftover taco fillings. Pile on the seasoned ground beef, diced tomatoes, onions, whatever your heart desires. Carefully fold the tortillas in half and place them in the hot skillet. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're golden brown and the cheese is melted and gooey. Slice those bad boys up and serve them with a side of salsa, guacamole, or sour cream. These taco quesadillas are the perfect quick and easy meal. Chapter 6. Taco Stuffed Pepper Surprise. Get ready for the grand finale, folks, because we're ending this epic taco transformation journey with a bang. Taco Stuffed Pepper Surprise. First things first, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Now grab some bell peppers, any color you like, and slice them in half lengthwise. Scoop out the seeds and membranes. In a large bowl, combine those leftover taco ingredients. Seasoned ground beef, rice, beans, corn, cheese, the whole shebang. Spoon that delicious mixture into the hollowed-out bell peppers, mounding it up nicely. Place the stuffed peppers in a baking dish, add a splash of water to the bottom of the dish, and cover it tightly with foil. Bake for about 30 to 40 minutes or until the peppers are tender. In the last 10 minutes of cooking, remove the foil and sprinkle some extra cheese on top. This taco stuffed pepper surprise is the perfect way to use up those leftover tacos and impress your taste buds. There you have it, folks. 6 epic recipes that will transform your leftover tacos from drab to fab. We've got taco salads, soups, casseroles, pizzas, quesadillas, and stuffed peppers, all bursting with flavor and ready to satisfy your cravings. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed these incredible taco transformations, and make sure you're subscribed and that notification bell is on. We're always cooking up something crazy here on the channel. Until next time, keep it real, keep it delicious, and keep on tacoing.